Hey, apparently there's services that will ship your bag for you when you're traveling. And yeah, I mean, that's great. But did you know you could deduct that? Yep, you can. Whether you're a business owner or employee traveling for work once a year or once a month, figuring out your travel expense tax write-offs might seem very confusing. Here are 5 things you want to know about business travel expenses to properly claim your deductions. Number one, business travel deductions are available when employees must travel away from their tax home or main place of work for business reasons. This means you're away longer than an ordinary day's work and you need to sleep to meet the demands of your job the next day while you're away. Number two, travel expenses must be ordinary and necessary. They can't be for lavish, extravagant, or personal purposes. Number three, employers can deduct the travel expenses paid or incurred during a temporary work assignment if the assignment length does not exceed 1 year. Why? If it's more than a year, then maybe you change your tax home. That could be problematic. Number four, travel expenses for conventions are deductible if attendance benefits the business. Either a special rule for conventions are held outside the United States, so you got to be aware of that. Number five, well-organized records make it easier to prepare a tax return. Keep records such as receipts, canceled checks, and other documents to support a deduction. By the way, some common deductions are travel by plane, air, train, bus, car between your home and the business destination. Fares for taxis, fares for transportation like Uber between the airport and the hotel. And also there's shipping of your baggage, as I said before. But in addition to that, if you have display materials that you're using for work, those are also can be shipped and be claimed as a deduction. Lodging and meals, dry cleaning and laundry, business cell phone communication, tips for services related to those items, and other similar ordinary and necessary expenses related to business travel. My name is Wayne Scully, owner of W. Scully CPA PC, and I'm a tax and business strategist. Our focus is to provide solutions to landlords, flippers, and real estate pros in the New York tri-state area. My firm offers tax compliance, business consulting, and high-value tax planning strategies to save thousands of dollars. At W. Scully CPA's PC, we say taxing is their job, saving is ours, or we'll give you $100. I'm hosting a webinar I'd love for you to attend, how to protect yourself from the IRS and resolve your tax debts. You can get free tickets for this event, which will be held at the first of every month, starting in February. Next event will be March 1st. Click in the URL in the description or just search Eventbrite to get free tickets. Okay, guys? Thanks a lot. Have a nice rest of your day. Take care. Bye-bye.